Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm actually going to be doing a very different video than I usually do on my channel. Hurricane Florence is coming and apparently it's gonna hit Virginia really hard. And if you guys don't know, I live on the very east coast of Virginia and this hurricane is progressing really quickly. So basically through this entire video, I'm going to be doing my whole experience and process through Hurricane Florence. I thought it'd be a really fun video to film. In all seriousness though, I understand that this is a very serious hurricane and I pray that nothing serious happens and that we all stay safe through the whole thing. And it is very sad and devastating. I don't know, it hasn't hit us yet, so I don't know like the severity of it or how bad it's actually gonna be. I just thought it would be kind of interesting to film the entire experience. Obviously going into this as a teenager, everyone is just excited for no school and schools to be canceled and everything like that. Every single university and public school in the system is pretty much closed to the east coast of Virginia just because they're supposed to get really hard. Yesterday was Monday, I went to school and school is closed from Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, all throughout the week. So I'm thinking we're probably gonna be out of school for about a week. It's a very severe storm and we should be taking it seriously and going through many precautions. So I do wanna make that disclaimer. But yeah, I just wanted to bring you guys along with me. Today is Tuesday. School was canceled today and it's actually my friend Anna's birthday. Since none of us have school today, we're all gonna go and have lunch at Sakura. So
put the money in my hand right now. Set up a motor, we need more seats. We just sold out all the floor seats.
Tell me why American boy. I'm like driving in my neighborhood and I'm seeing so many people get ready for the storm. We have a trampoline, which we flipped over. My dad went out to get a generator today. We all filled up our gas tanks. Actually, I need to fill mine up. So after lunch today, I'm gonna go to the gas station, fill up my tank. I don't really know why I need to fill up my tank, but I'm just gonna do it just in case. I guess, I don't know. It's crazy everywhere. Me and my mom went out yesterday to the grocery store. Whenever we go grocery shopping, we literally have to go to like 4 different stores. I don't know why, because there's just stuff everywhere. Every single parking lot was like filled to the T. There were so many people there everywhere. At gas stations, we waited in line for like 20 minutes for my mom to get gas. So hopefully it's not bad today. It honestly probably is for like all the last minute people out there. I just got here and Maddie pulled in the parking lot. I literally haven't seen her in forever and I literally miss her so much. Happy birthday. Hurricane Florence. Yes, this is.
I'm not evacuating. I'm about to text
Dude,
my
same.
Get my card.
But if he doesn't want to leave,
Anna, Lily, Bella, Georgia, Patty, Katie. Okay.
Thanks.
Here we've got Naya, Sam. So I ordered. Stop. So my car, fun fact if you guys don't know this, it does have problems. It's a 2005 car. It's like about 13 years old. Whenever it rains, my car floods and that's not good. So before the storm, your girl has to put her car in the garage and my lovely family is not home to help me clean the garage and make room for my car. So I'm gonna do that by myself. Right now you guys are gonna join me in the process of cleaning out the garage so I can put my car in there so it doesn't get smashed by a tree during the hurricane and it does not flood and completely break on me. So let's do that. So this is what we're working with. Are you serious, Mom? Oh, my mom is like taking down all the outdoor furniture right now and like figuring out a place for like a lot of the stuff. The entire deck is pretty much cleared out. I don't know where she thinks she's gonna put all that. Why did she put these right here? I don't know. But we have this entire garage to clean out for, oh my God, this is so gross. I'm sorry guys, but this is what a garage looks like. All right, cleaning montage now. Dude, I don't even know where to start. Dude, that was like so much easier. My parents are like, you need to clean out the garage. Like if you don't want your, ow, frick. Ow, I just hurt myself. My parents were like making a big deal. They were like, if you don't want your car to flood, you need to clean out the garage. It's gonna take you a long time. We do have water stacked, 48 bottles of water. Anyone else's dog gets really scared during storms, go around and see if I can find any portable chargers and stuff and charge all that up, do my laundry. I think I'm gonna clean the sheets before too, and take a shower tomorrow, late tomorrow before the power goes out or anything. So we're also rocking the all pink fit. Got this sweatshirt and then my new pink shoes that I absolutely love. And then we're wearing the urban pink scrunchie. I'm so mad right now. So I went to go get gas, and like I want to say the main reason I went to get gas is for this video, like preparation for the hurricane, like everyone's getting gas and stuff. But like I still had like half a tank of gas, but I just wanted to get a full tank to be prepared for the hurricane. I was gonna vlog it, and that's the main thing. I totally forgot to vlog. I just got there and got my gas and left. I totally forgot. Right. Cleaning montage now.
Thursday at 10 o'clock, showing that there's a 100% chance here.
So I was gonna bring my vlog camera, but I was like, oh, there's no point to. But I'm on a freaking yacht right now. Morgan decided not to tell any of us that she had a yacht, and so she invited us all on the boat because today is the last really nice day before the hurricane is supposed to hit us tomorrow. You're gonna say hi? Hi. So I'm gonna give you guys a little yacht tour.
And that's the shop.
Okay, so that's the back of it. Yeah. You come down these stairs, and right here, the inside. Oh, who is that? We have the steering area, and then over here is a lounge area where you can eat. There's a bedroom down here. That's nice. There's a bathroom in there, and then stairs that go up to the inside. Here's the kitchen, and then here's another bathroom. Nice, nice. And another bedroom in here. We're gonna be enjoying the yacht time. Prepping for Hurricane Florence yacht day, I guess. Oh my god, this is crazy. Come over here. Everyone say hi. Hi! Oh my gosh. It's a little bit choppy out here.
Someone out here on the beach, just like, we living it up out here. Hurricane Harvey. Hey, Florence, where you at?
Really?
What should my caption be? Hi, Georgie, you look like our captain. Thank you. Thank you.
So, I currently am at the beach. It's Thursday, September 13th, 2 o'clock. The storm was, from the predictions a few days ago, was supposed to hit Virginia Beach. Like, Virginia had a state of emergency, like mandatory evacuation for like Zone A people, and it was supposed to hit Virginia, but then quickly, like over the past few days, it like switched, and now it's like veering so far away from Virginia. I mean, we're still gonna get little side effects, but it's definitely not like a mandatory like state of evacuation kind of thing. But it honestly, the storm has been like pushing away, keeps getting pushed back, and I don't understand. Also, some public schools near me are contemplating whether or not they should reopen up schools tomorrow, because I think it's kind of, they really honestly should not have closed the schools. I think it was kind of like mandatory because like the state, there's honestly, we could have gone to school Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Like, it's really not that bad. The wind is really not that bad, but I also wanted to come down here to the beach because I wanted to kind of take you guys along during the process. Oh my god. You guys definitely won't be able to hear me, but it is so windy right now. The sand is like hitting my knees. There's people swimming right now. Are they seriously swimming right now? Crazy. It was pretty bad sad for us not being, I mean, we're close to it, but way far from where we were supposed to be. The rain is coming, guys. Not too crazy yet, but we'll see. This is the first rain so far. Hi guys, so I'm coming on here to end this vlog. It's about like a week and a half, no, it's like about, yeah, it's about a week later. As you guys can tell, Hurricane Florence completely went away and missed Virginia, so we didn't really get that many side effects, at least where I was. I don't know about other parts of Virginia or if it was any different, but I know it pretty much hit like South Carolina, North Carolina pretty hard. And I want to make this clear, a little disclaimer in this video, because I'm not trying to glamorize or make this seem like something fun at all. And I want to like make that clear to you, because obviously I don't wish a hurricane upon anyone. And I was contemplating whether or not I should upload this, because I don't want to get that like little 5% of feedback, of like negative feedback of people saying like I'm trying to say like this is a joke or anything, because obviously I clearly know that that's not. And I pray for all the families that were affected during the hurricane. Just debating, I was like, is there any point to even upload this video, because it didn't end up hitting us. But I feel like it's a good video because it was a whole week in my life preparing for like a big hurricane that was supposed to come towards us, and we were all prepared. We got generators, water, food, gas, all of that stuff. Bye bougies, love you. Camera. Coming into this video completely expecting a hard hit. I'm grateful that it decided to veer away and not hit us. Got a week off of school for that, which is great, but it's also a very devastating thing. Please don't take this video in any serious way. I would just want to make that disclaimer, because I would hate make you guys think that I think that this is funny in any way. If you guys know where I'm coming from, sorry that this video is a little bit late. I was really debating whether or not I should film it, and I was kind of, for a few days, I was like, I think I might just delete all the footage, but I was like, you know what? This is all like a week in my life footage, so I may as well keep it for you guys. There were a few fun things that happened during it, like the yacht day and Anna's birthday. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Make sure to subscribe down below. Thank you for 50K too. I don't think you guys understand how appreciative I am of you guys, and a whole video on that will be coming soon. I love you guys, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.